Here I'm going to show you how to use Google Earth to create a drone fly through over a place and create images from this to generate a photogrammetry model. Photogrammetry is essentially taking photos of an object or place and then using a program such as Mushroom to generate these photos into a 3D model. So we'll start off by opening Google Earth and searching the location we want to model. We'll model Swinburne. We want to create a path that will capture this block here. To do that, we want to add path at the top here. Either click it from the top there or underneath in the left-hand corner, add. Either one's fine. Click add path, we'll call it Swinburne fly through. And while this is open, don't click OK yet because we want to draw our path. So we'll select, sort of create it so that it is flying through each of these points. The more photos or the more points you have to create or to be that you get from Google Earth, the more detailed your model could become. Especially if you're taking photos of, say, a sculpture outside Swinburne, you can really get a lot of good photos from all around it. Google Earth, you probably just get these fly-throughs here. So when we're happy with that, we'll select OK, and you'll see it come up here, sort of like a layer Swinburne fly through. Now, we want to capture these photos, but before we want to do it, Google Earth will take a bit, not take time, but it will become blurry when it first flies through. So what it's best to do is to select the fly through and just let it play through once. So at least it gets every building that you want and gets it all in detail. And as you can see, it follows the path that we created. You can also hide the path. So when you take our photos, it's not there. So as you see, it just disappeared with the tick. But for now, you can just let it fly through. In the meantime, you can use and set up this program in Friend View. This is what I use to capture the screen grab. So when you open it, click C, and it'll give you some settings of how you capture the photo. You can either do a full desktop area, foreground windows, just a specific area, or you can do a fixed size rectangle. For the purpose of getting images from Google Earth, because we want it to be just this area here, we don't need all this stuff. We can go to fixed angle and change the width and height. I think this is from when I previously used it. But anyway, you would just have to go to custom, click start, and then you can see here when the key moves around, you'll see the size changes. So you want to be able to get it as best as you can to get this area without any of the Google Earth labels. For instance, my one should be fixed already, and then after that you get those measurements and then put them in here so it's a fixed rectangle. There's a hotkey to create these photos. For instance, mine is Control Home. So for this, it's just easier. You don't have to always open the program, create the photos. You put where you want these to be saved. For instance, I have them in week 5 at the moment. You can just change to where you want it for photogrammetry, Swinburne drive-through, click OK, and it will save to there. So then when you click start, the hotkey is what you'll be used to take the photos. So once this drone fly through is finished, at least once, sometimes it can be a bit slow if you've got a lot of points, it might be, but it's best to get a full fly through first and then watch it again, take photos. So now it's flying through, you take the photos from the start and just at each interval, control home and take the photos as it plays through. So you get lots of photos of the drone fly through. In the next video, I'll show you how I've put these into Meshroom.